like that sound? Yeah. Can you laugh? That was so funny. You're a funny guy. Oliver, can you laugh? Yeah. Good boy. Can you say beep, 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 beep? Good boy, Oz. Can you say chirp, chirp, chirpy? Good boy. Yeah. Can you laugh, Ozzy? Uh-oh. You gonna wiggle neck? Is all the chirping and laughing making you want to share your treats with Gemma? Sharing is caring. You're so silly. You're so silly. Can you say chirp, chirp, chirpy? Can you laugh? You're so funny. You're such a funny guy. How about beep, 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 beep? Good boy. Beep, 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 beep. He loves his spoons. Huh. Oliver. Oh, you're giving me kisses. Give me a kiss. Is it funny that you didn't give me a kiss? Okay, Oz. Say goodbye. Okay. Alright. I'll see you later. I'm taking your spoons. This is what I was jiggling for him. He likes me to jiggle these spoons. Okay, bye. Gemma's just like, who's this crazy guy? See you later.